Chahi hongkibagi watani lamdam asigi irang asidi loiba naide. Miyoi kaya amana 2024 da loikiduna anaubu chahi 2025 lakpagi haraubu phongdoknari ngai. Anaubu chahi New Year gi khudo loina kangsup kadangban gi line asida kuki militant singi maikeidigi akanba maongda ahing nongyai da landarakhi. Nakalamu roomda torbung bangla side su ahing nongyai aduda GR kangbu na BBF forcing phui haibagi wahau amamuk thorakhi.
Gawala phép tôi phu đấy chứ sau khi mi sống bao là tiếng mày am ya nó sẽ biểu chứ gawala phép tôi phu đấy gawala phép tôi
Mamangi sahi 2024 December Christmas numitagi hauduna thamna pokpi sana sapi mafam sing asida landarakpadagi haurakhiba irang asisu ngasi fawba loidri numit kayani atonggi khudong chabaluduna chingtaktagi misam kaya amada attack chatharamliba kuki militant sing leiramba mafam sing asi central force sing changsinduna lawsin ki amasung makoina leiriba mafam sing asida combing operation tawsilakpana maram oiduna makha tana attack chathaba yadaba sigi pendaba phongdokpa oina National Highway Tingzinduna Lambi Mayaida, Kuki Lady Organization Singi Maikaidiki Famjinduna Tachin Bahokre. Anoba Sahi Laksaba Kaktani, Highway Singing Sile Hijaba Kaktani. Manipuri Lady National Highway Sing a sing a sisu, Kambu Karana Towning with the Tawayaba, Adumak Oidun Lady. I think Bukayama later so Army BSF Amasung CRPF Uyok sing the deployed Tawkre, Adabu Makoi sing a seat and talk Nabagida Maktanga Siso Hanba later. Atop group amata yausu yaudana masana masabu Manipuri apunbagi tribal group ni haijariba kotuna yamna kan honari. National Highway Tingzinduna pocha yamata putok pusin tawhandabadagi hauduna kotugi miyoi kaya ama nupi nupa punna Central Force na lairib asigi manakta stangsinduna yarek pinabao jagoibu sajinbao lepa leitana honari. Karigumba Zagoi Sasinba, Sangsinduna Ahing Lexinba Amasung Highway Tingbasina Yaraktragadi, Moredagi Ahen Force Lakani Hibasuk Fundorakli. Makoi Laklabadi Ladambas Force Kotima Amata Lim Tharoi Haidi. Nakalamurum than a BSF Singi Maikati, Uyuk sing the Makoina lady Bomafum Sing Asida, Makatana Chatlu Harak Tanabagita Magda. Makoidi, State Asigi lady, Poliski Makada Sulate, Army Command Makada Sulate, Makodi Top Topat Tongan Force Amani, Aduga, Makoi Force Asida Cookie to Pisu Yauri Hiduna Tem Nabagida Makti Yamnakan Honari.
No, we don't have to take consent of anybody. This is my country. This is my country. This is my country. So to be very frank, this is my country. This is India, and I will maintain the territorial integrity of my country. No, you see, let's see. Don't get into confrontation now. No. We will not listen to your this thing. We have been given a mandate. We have been ordered to stay here. We will stay here, come what may. It's that simple. At least we need to discuss. Now you have to trust us. We don't take orders from local police. We don't take orders from local police. We don't take police orders from army. We have got our own mandate. We are an independent entity. And from the central government we have come.
Why don't you come and discuss with us before?
See, that discussion phase has already gone. That discussion has already gone. Today they came, they tried to storm the campus, they tried to break the tear upon break the concertina coils. They entered our campus. They littered our
injured.
Injured. I have also been hit. Why they are begging so these laws with you? See, you want to talk? I told yesterday also. You please stay there. You sit there. We will have no objection to anybody. Come here, sit here, talk to each other. Let us understand this is a new year also.
I just want to ask you, brother. I just want to ask you one thing. Is it because of the pressure from the valley?
No, we are not.
We fail.
We don't take orders from anybody.
Just let me complain.
DGP, I don't take orders from DGP also.
We fail.
It is my channel of command.
You know, sir, from which person do you get?
I am taking orders from my DIG. We have got a BSF DIG. Okay, and it is only from the central government, Ministry of Home Affairs, central government. It is directions are from them only. Okay, you got the point. We are not taking orders from anybody. That's the rule of law has to be maintained. This is your land. We understand. We fully acknowledge that. This is your land. But please don't get into confrontation.
We are not confront.
No, my boys are also hit. Ladies are also, one Mahila constable, the lady constable was also hit. You just understand, they are without them. They have kept a small family back home. The kids are there. Just see the